Hello, my name is James McPeak, and I'm in 11th grade, and today I'm going to be talking about child development, physical development of ages 0 to 2. Kind of just talking about what activities they can do to help themselves grow, and what are the 5 things that you kind of want to check off as they're going through ages 0 to 2. So our first page here. Planting a seed, mud play, sidewalk chalk, take vitamin D, Play-Doh, color mixing, nature walks, sandbox or beach, pouring water into a glass or something like that. A common theme with all these is kind of working with colors, walking around, crawling, stuff like that, and just getting outside and kind of looking what's on the outside in the world. So this next page are some more. These are some more stuff, some stuff that you can eat and stuff like that. So if you eat right, it'll increase your height. There's a lot of protein. You could gather a Ziploc bag and put like glue, sticks, pom-poms, and crayons in it. Jumping/running, that's great. I mean, just whatever they can do, just get them active and stuff like that. Get them outside. Kicking a ball is a good one. And building blocks. So here are the 5 stages of physical development. These are pretty important when looking at your kid that is 0 to 2 years old. Cognitive. This is your child's ability to use logic and problem-solving skills, including the skill of thinking about thinking. So they're thinking about how to kick a ball, stuff like that. You kind of got to tell them to kick the ball, so they kind of start to understand of what you're doing and show them how to do it. Social and emotional, this is a huge one. Your child needs to know how to interact with himself and others in a healthy and manageable way. So that's just having play dates with your kids all the time, hanging around other kids at parks, stuff like that. Speech and language, that kind of speaks for itself. Fine motor skills and gross motor skills. And the last page, human growth and development, intellectual development, emotional development, social development. Thank you.